Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bitter melon. First, select firm, green melons, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Thoroughly wash them under running water. Next, carefully slice each melon lengthwise. Using a spoon, scoop out all the seeds and the white, spongy pith. This step is crucial for reducing bitterness. Finally, cut the melon into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, preparing it for the next stage. Now, let's tackle that characteristic bitterness. Place your sliced bitter melon in a bowl and sprinkle it with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently toss to ensure even coating. Allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. This process draws out some of the bitter juices. After resting, rinse the melon thoroughly under cold, running water. Finally, squeeze out any excess water, leaving it ready for cooking. Bitter melon is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. A popular method is stir-frying. Combine it with garlic, onions, and your favorite protein like pork or chicken. It also shines in curries, adding a distinct depth of flavor. For a heartier dish, you can stuff the melon with a savory filling and braise it slowly. Alternatively, blanch it for just 2 minutes and add to a refreshing salad. Enjoying bitter melon is all about finding your perfect pairing. Stir-fried bitter melon is wonderfully complemented by a side of fluffy steamed rice. Its strong flavor also pairs beautifully with spicy dishes, creating a delightful balance. Consider adding it to your favorite soups for a healthy and distinct taste. Don't be afraid to experiment with various seasonings and sauces to discover how you best enjoy this unique vegetable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.